Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to quickly add a promo code on the Walmart app step by step. First open the Walmart app and add the item you want to purchase to your cart. I will skip the browsing part here because you already know how to add it. Once added, tap the cart icon at the top right corner to open your cart. Then now select the item you want to check out with tap and continue to check out after selecting the item here. Then once the checkout page loads, scroll at the way down until you see a question have a promo code. Tap the section, then enter your code here. Then apply, then click apply. If valid, your discount will be applied instantly to your total. And that's how you add a promo code on Walmart. If this helped, like and subscribe and drop a comment if you have got any questions. Thanks for watching.